It's springtime! Time to fertilize Jerry, my mulberry. This is my Gerardi Mulberry, hence the name Jerry. Not very creative. I know, it's okay. So I'm gonna show you how I fertilize him. I fertilize him every 6 weeks. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm in zone 8A in El Paso, Texas. So let's do this. These are the ingredients I add: humic acid, kelp, and fish fertilizer, plus my scale for measuring ounces, and my empty gallon. Make sure you label so you don't confuse this for soda pop later. I add 1 ounce humic acid, 2 ounces of kelp, and 1 ounce of the fish fertilizer. If you notice, I didn't reset the scale the last time, so it was at 2 and I just added 1 more, which is why it says 3 total. Making sure you shake these bottles prior to using. I also add about a tablespoon of molasses, and since it's super thick, I just eyeball the tablespoon. I suggest use a separate cup to put it in because you need to add hot water to mix it in to liquefy that better. I take it outside just so I don't make a mess inside, and then I add the water outside. This one is just the molasses. I actually did this on 2 different days because I hadn't got the shipment in of my fertilizer. So I added the molasses, then 2 days later, I added the fertilizer mix, which is why you'll see my wardrobe change. But you can add all 4 ingredients to a gallon of water at the same time. This one is the kelp, humic acid, and fish fertilizer. And again, I take it outside, especially this one because it smells like, well, fish. Very strong, and I doubt you want your house smelling like fish. Add the water and then add it to your mulberry tree. And the way you know when to start adding fertilizer to this mulberry tree is when the buds start to open up like this picture on the right. For me, this was at the end of February, and so from here forth, I'll add these 4 ingredients every 6 weeks. 5 weeks after its first fertilization, this is what it looks like. And it's actually starting to form the berries even before the leaves come out. I'm so excited because these are so yummy. I bought this tree from my Facebook garden friend, so if you want to know where to get one, shoot me a message, as he knows where to get the best ones from the best growers. Some online shops, he says, don't disclose if they grow from rooted cuttings, grafting, or through tissue culture, which can affect the amount of years it'll take for you to get berries and the overall growth of the bush or tree. My Jerry here is one of the few slow growers, as most other varieties will grow too fast. Alright you guys, that's it. Thanks for watching my fertilizing video. If you want to know how I built this pot for my mulberry, check out that other video. I'll link it somewhere over here. If you want to know what kind of soil I use for my mulberry, I have another video on that. And a bunch of other videos if you want to watch those. Thanks for watching this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!